This is AI-7RK Portable out here at the Jackson house. HF band conditions aren't great today. So I wanted to kind of play around with something different here. Everybody's favorite that they love to hate, UV-5R by Bofang. Right now I've got the stock rubber duck antenna on it. And I want to show you guys something here on the difference of some really cheap antenna options that you can get to get more range out of these. So I'm calling up to the Capitol Peak repeater on 2 meter right now in Thurston County. It's a pretty good ways. I'll show a map here shortly. Let's see what the rubber duck does. This is Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo calling in on the 2 meter Cap Peak. Nothing, it didn't get in. Didn't break the repeater, didn't get anything back on it. So I'm gonna take off this the stock rubber duck here. And I'm gonna put on the Abri AR771 VHF/UHF antenna. This is Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo calling into the 2 meter Cap Peak. Didn't get anything on that either. So the quarter wave whip isn't doing it. So let's go with this. I think I spent about a total of $5 making this guy. It's a tape measure 3-element Yagi. This is Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo calling in 2 meter on Cap Peak.
AI-7RK KJ7XJ full quieting.
Outstanding. Thank you very much. I appreciate you getting back to me. 7-3.
Sure, no problem. KJ7XJ.
How do you get the most out of your handheld? The antenna. It's always the antenna. I'm going to share some links to how to make all of these antennas down in the video description. So this is AI-7RK Portable. I'll see you guys out at the parks.